VPC security groups per region. By default, you get 2,500, but don't be disheartened, this is adjustable to suit your needs. Inbound or outbound rules per security group. Initially set at 60, this too can be adjusted, soaring up to a whopping 1,000. Hello cloud enthusiasts. Welcome back to another riveting series of 2 minutes of AWS Mastery. Today, we're delving deep into Episode 4, the intricate world of AWS Security Groups. What are AWS Security Groups, you ask? In the simplest terms, security groups, also known as SGs, are your first line of defense in AWS, acting as virtual firewalls. They're responsible for managing and controlling both inbound and outbound traffic to your network interfaces. They help ensure that only the approved data can make its way in or out. Now, let's unpack the term stateful firewall. A stateful firewall means that if you allow an incoming request from an IP, the response is automatically allowed, regardless of outbound rules. It's like a two-way conversation. If you initiate it, you can expect a reply without further permission. Security groups work as stateful firewall. Here's a fun fact. While security groups are attached to network interfaces, they cannot be attached to certain entities. For instance, you cannot directly attach SGs to the Internet Gateway and NAT Gateway. Why? You ask? Because their primary purpose is to provide a security layer to your resources within the VPC, rather than gateways. But how many of these security guards can you employ in your cloud setup? Let's talk numbers. VPC security groups per region. By default, you get 2,500, but don't be disheartened, this is adjustable to suit your needs. Inbound or outbound rules per security group. Initially set at 60, this too can be adjusted, soaring up to a whopping 1,000. Remember, this quota, when multiplied by the quota for security groups per network interface, shouldn't exceed 1,000. Security groups per network interface. Starting at 5, with the possibility to adjust up to 16, just keep in mind the cumulative rule count shouldn't surpass 1,000. Now, referencing one AWS security group from another. In real-world scenarios, IPs can be a moving target. Take an application load balancer or ALB as an example. Its IP might be dynamic, changing based on conditions. If you want your EC2 instances to consistently communicate with that ALB, bind them to the ALB security group, not a volatile IP. Each VPC has default security group. We can delete inbound and outbound rules from default security groups. As you can see on the screen, we have deleted the inbound rule. Let's try to delete default security group. As you can see on the screen, we are trying to delete default security groups, but we got error that security group can't be deleted. In professional work, we empty security groups and we don't use them. Before we wrap up, here's a quick quiz. Did you know that AWS provides all these intricate firewall functionalities entirely for free? You get this robust layer of security without denting your budget. Thank you so much, gurus. Your thirst for knowledge keeps us going. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes of 2 minutes of AWS Mastery. Signing off with a question: do you now grasp the essence of AWS security groups? Until next time, gurus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell. Keep clouding and keep mastering.